Ladies and gentlemen, the time has finally arrived that I got my mystery box in the mail. So this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. I don't know what's in it. All I know is I spent way too much money on this stupid fucking box, so it better be worth it. So it looks like this. It has Jeffree Star's logo on it and then a bunch of question marks, and it was very expensive, so I'm hoping it is worth it. But my boyfriend paid for half of it for my birthday for me, so thank you to him. And I'm very excited, so I'm just breaking it open right now to see what I got. So, oh my god, there's so much tape on this frickin' box. I'm so excited and kind of nervous at the same time because I don't know if this was going to be a complete waste of my money or not. I hope not. So here is the 2019 Valentine's Day box. So it's wrapped like this. It looks really cute. It has his pink wrapping all over it. So the first thing that I see, actually it's all just laid out on top like this. So this is what the inside of one of the mystery box looks like. So the first thing that I see in the box is a pop socket. So this is the Jeffree Star pop socket. I already have a pop socket on my phone that I cannot pull off because if I take it off, it will not go back on because it's just a shitty one from Amazon and I really like this one. So I'm gonna keep this one on until it fades completely and then I'll put this one on. But I have my Jeffree Star pop socket, so that's really cool. Tons of people really want them, but I'm assuming you could probably get them on Amazon. But either way, the next thing that I see in the mystery box is a skin frost. So this is the Regina George, so I got bright pink. Oh my god, so many people got this skin frost. I'm excited. I don't have any of his skin frost. I just have that pro palette. So this is what his skin frost looks like. This is Regina George, and when I open it, so it looks like this. It is a bright pink skin frost. It comes with a mirror, and to swatch it, it looks like that on my finger. It's like, it's not swatching very well. Wow. People online said that the skin frosts suck, but now I believe it. This is actually horrible. This skin frost is absolutely terrible. I'm trying to swatch it on my hand right now, and this is what's happening. Absolutely, like, very little pigment. Oh my god, okay, let's try and swatch it on this arm right here, and we'll see what it's like. So it has absolutely no pigment and it's not even showing up like at all on my skin. Like it's barely showing up. All right, well, I guess that's why I've never purchased a skin frost before. I think this is crap. That is the first Jeffree Star product that I'm like, okay, is this a joke? Like, it looks really pretty on my finger, but on my wrist, it's not showing up like, it doesn't look like a highlight. It looks like shitty pigmentation. Alrighty then. Moving on. So the next item that I got is Frozen Peach. So this is a Supreme Frost, which this one was a Skin Frost, so this is a Supreme Frost. And this is Frozen Peach. And I think I wanted this one, so it looks like this. It is the most gorgeous packaging I've ever seen in my life. And when you open it, it looks like that. So on a clean finger, it looks like that on my finger, if you guys can see. And on my hand, yeah, that's a much better highlighter. It's not super ugly or anything. It's not as good as his Pro Palette. His Pro Palette is amazing, whereas these highlighters they seem to be just like glitter. But I'm sure they'll work really well. So this is the Frozen Peach, so it's like a champagne highlight, and this one is more up my alley. So I am going to throw a little bit of this highlighter on my cheek right now, just to see what it looks like. So I already have Jeffree Star's Deep Freeze, or Ice Cold, on my cheek right now. So let's just add this Frozen Peach over top. See what it looks like. You guys can even tell because I already have highlighter on. But it is pretty. It's just not as blinding as his Ice Cold highlighter. So this is still really nice. This is a Preem Frost and it is Frozen Peach, so that's cool. So I got 2 highlighters so far. So the next thing that I see in the mystery box is a lip ammunition, and this is Gargoyle, so I don't have this one. I don't have any of his lip ammunitions actually, so that's really cool. Gargoyle is, I think the lip ammunitions is just his actual lipstick, so it's not a liquid lipstick. Yeah, so it comes in like a little bullet tube like this, and Gargoyle is a slate kind of color. So swatched on my hand, it's like a slate kind of gray color, so that's really cool. I'm excited to try this one out in the future. I have none of his lip ammo, so this is my very first, and I'm actually really excited. That's a really cool color. So the next thing that I see is Self-Control. So the packaging looks like this, and it is a purple. So Self-Control, purple again. So this is like a lilac purple color, and I think it's really pretty. So swatched on my hand. Ooh, that's actually super gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. So heck yeah, I'm in love with Self-Control. That is absolutely stunning. The next lipstick that I got is Crocodile Tears. So I already have this color. So I'm not going to swatch this one. I will just go grab my one that I already have open, and I'll probably just give this one away. So if you are unfamiliar what Crocodile Tears looks like, it looks like this. It is a dark green matte lipstick, and swatched on my hand, it looks like that. So I will zoom you guys in. So far, these are the 3 lip shades that I've gotten. So I got Crocodile Tears, which is right here, Self-Control right here, and Gargoyle, which is right here. So I already have this one, so I'm probably either going to sell it, trade it, or give it away. So we will see, but I really, really love this one so far. And then Gargoyle. I will do a better swatch of Gargoyle for you guys. But it's not a liquid lipstick, so it's just a matte lipstick. It looks like this. It's really, really pretty. It's like a slate kind of color, a gray color, and it looks like that swatched. So it's actually really pretty. I'm really excited for it. And then of course, up close, this is what Self-Control looks like. So that's really cool, but I'm just going to keep this one put to the side for now, just to see if anybody wants to trade, or if anybody wants to buy it, because I already have it and I don't use it very often, so I don't need 2 of them. And the last one that I got is Doll Parts. So this is a kind of like a pink. It's not a nude, it's more like an off pink, and it looks like this on the doe foot, and on my hand it looks like this. So it's like it's kind of like the same color as my wig. So this is what Doll Parts looks like up close. So it's like pretty much the same color as my wig. It's not quite pastel. It's a little bit darker than pastel, and it's a little bit darker than hot pink, but it's a really pretty kind of like off pink color, and I think it's really gorgeous. It would actually be really perfect for Valentine's Day. And the last thing that I got that's in a box is Calabasas, which a liner, I believe. So I got I don't know if this is a lip liner or an eyeliner, or if it's supposed to be both. I think they're safe for both. Trying to get it out of the package though. It's being a pain in my butt. All right, so this is what Calabasas looks like. It is this really cool wand. So it is ooh, that's a really gorgeous pink. So it's a pink lip liner, so you can use it for your eyes. I believe this is his eyeliners that he sent out, but they are lip free, or they're lip safe, eye safe, whatever. So you can use them as a lip liner, or you can use them as an eyeliner. So up close. This is what all of these shades that I got look like. They are really pretty. I really, really like this one right here, what was it called? Self-Control. I really love Self-Control, and the eyeliner lip liner is a really cool added bonus, so that's really neat. I'm really, really excited about getting one of his lip liners, eyeliners, whatever they are, because I don't have any in my collection, and this one is Calabasas. So if I was to get the Calabasas lip shade, then I have a lip pencil to go with it. And the last thing that I see in this mystery box is a t-shirt. So I don't know why, but for some reason when I was purchasing this box, so this is the biggest giveaway box, this is the biggest mystery box. For some reason when I read merchandise, I was thinking sweaters, like I was thinking he was giving us his sweaters, not his t-shirts. So for whatever reason, I said large, which I am not a large. I would be like a small in his t-shirts, but I got like this giant ass t-shirt. So I'm probably going to either give it away or sell it because I am not a large, and I don't know why I got a large. I should have gotten a small. But it is a really pretty t-shirt. It's just gonna be way too big for me, so I'll probably sell it or give it away or whatever. But that was everything that was in this mystery box. So if you guys are underwhelmed by this mystery box, then in the future when he does them, don't do it, because it was like $130 for me because I live in Canada. So it was, I believe it was like $70 or $80 USD plus shipping, and in Canada after the conversion the mystery box was about $105 USD, and then the shipping was an extra $30. So I spent about $140 on this mystery box, and I'm not even a big fan of the very first highlight that I got, Regina George. I think it's absolutely terrible. Whereas the Frozen Peach, I actually wanted this one, so that's cool that I got it. I just don't think it's as good as his other highlights. I have the ice cold one, which is in the Pro palette, and it's amazing. So I'm hoping I really love this one, but this one is, I don't like it. It literally looks terrible on my skin, and I'm not a big fan of colored highlights, so maybe that's just me. But the pop socket is cool, all of the lip shades are cool, but I will be selling some of the stuff or trading or giving away some of the stuff that I don't need or don't want. So yeah, but that was everything that I got in this mystery box. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you do like my channel and you do want to subscribe to me and support me, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!